Otpom Chipui Kasangli Reservation Rules Policy Sakla in Shurkhavai Tribal Youth Council Manipur na Pohira. Ukhrul District Magistrate Sagasa IAS officers during La Kengoli, the Indian Express Excellence in Governance Award Mihira. Leikhayangator, Tangkhul Express Pvt Ringyaophi Ningshen in a pamitele, Baubing may sign nang rumsa. Otpom Chipui Kasangli Reservation Rules Kala Policies Saglaga in a Shurkhavai, Kaboy and Soda, Manipur Shokar we in a Kashok notification to Yakang mikhavai, Tribal Youth Council Manipur General Headquarters na Pohira. Maramhi November 14, 2014 notification Deputy Secretary, Department of Personal and Administrative Reforms, Personal Division, Government of Manipur na Mikashokli Kahangna. Kalajit read the Manipur Reservations of Vacancy in Post and Service for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Rules 2011 Wimbaramli Shokhaira Kasa May 17, 2011 with notification in Sunda Machan Kasang Maramna. Chili points Machan Sang Kapaili Service wuivang Sanction Post Katumang Leaka 200 points reservation rosterly apply Masalapai. Kala Post Kagatumaji Scheduled Tribes wuivang automatically reserved Sapaya de Zanga. Council Chinakahang notification Chili Shikachintui Sapaya Gachi Hina provisions Chi Saplungra Gachi Maning to the reservation enforcement Jing Azan Sakhawa Chuivang Tuiji Sapaya Gachi Maningla Sara Saplungra Gachi and Gachi mikhavai TYCM Napoya. Tribal now being with seat reservation Mashunli Masadze Kavai Chikata to Yerji Saklaka Gachi Council Jinahang Sangan. Ukhrul with District Magistrate Sagasa IAS officers during La Kengoli, the Indian Express Excellence in Governance Award Mihira. The Indian Express Excellence in Governance Award Hikum Kanini and Mikashok, Machut Sata Ajiwihina Kagatuma edition Nasaya. Agricultural Willi, Sustainability, Kala E-Governance Li Kala Resource Matada Shikachin Vashunga the Apongata Tay the Li Ot Murut Matalak Ina, Kumikahai, Gateina Shukui Kapai Kamata Ot, Sami Kahai District Magistrate Pingli Award J Kami Kasana. Kala Zuring La na E-Governance Category Award Sam Kapangna. Award Wuivang State Magada Chiko Wayne entries Shamati Hangpanga Kavawing Jaili Kayuya Trata Trukli Zuring La Kengola Kazang Sam Kapangna. The Indian Express na Pau Mikashoka Tishurda Zuring La Kengona E-Governance Award Sam Kapangji Manipur E-District Project Wuivangna. Project Chua Zingli Shorkar eina Rijumnao Pingli Service Kami Matame Kavai the online apamli Shorkar Service Saikoro Sampangapai Single Access Point Hai Kamina. Gina Rijumnao Shorkar Officely Kava 70% Sudang Sak Kala Service Kamili Atam Kazang 40% Suda Kangasagaji. Office G Mikashok Angranangi Achahon Tarik Matithang New Delhi Kwikada Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnau Namasawa Sada Bazanga. Award Wuivang Jiho Kavavaji Knowledge Partner PwC na Yanglaga Project Pingji the Indian Express with team na verify Kasanada Hanga. Manipurli Sajada Maram Ngatate the Wuivang Kataka Actions Kwikami Boda State Eina Longnau being President with Secretariat Livada Memorandum Misanghaira. Memorandum Chili Kamataya Maram Katum Democratic Governance Leilushit Kangasak Manipur with Territorial Integrity Kangak Kala internally displaced person Pingwivang Takta Yangsang Kami Boya. Rashtrapati Bhavanli Misang Kahai Memorandum G People's Progressive Alliance Manipurli Gazang Long Trata Trukna Katomda Kaminachi. State Road Kamrat Weina Shim Jiho Kahai Ping Safe Sada Hankung Security Measures Matada Hai Kami Kala Economic Blockades Ngasam Kavahi Bodale. Kala Indian Constitution's Article 3 Azingli Kangache Malay Ngasak Kavai Manipur with Territorial Integrity Laira Kachi Presidential Order Mikhavai Bodale. Memorandum Chili Village Volunteers Ping Wuivang La Hangsanga. Atum Anti National Maningmana Ngalay Ngak Kavai Kasana the Village Volunteers Ping Chili Legal Protection Mikhavai PPAM na Pohira. Manipur Class 10 and Class 12 Porikau we question Lyric Leak Sahawa Gachi Maramli all Manipur Students Guardians Organization na Ning Kakarik Pongshok Haira. Ochot Chili Makamaya Pongshokta AMSGO General Secretary Sumata Sorokpom na Kahang Chikatha makham shung ot sakchin examination system wi shit kasang swidang sakta kakhalat maleilak ngasahawa kha maram wuivang kosem posem kala Cyber Crime Police SP na kathaka phaikar khoi khami wuivang AMSGO General Secretary na maya khangai phongshok kala khanau khanali chikatha moshokli khawai pohaira examination process li kahap ot sakli janga kachi chishut me ping chili pel masa khawai organization china judiciary li ngakau haira Manipur BM Kisan scheme li makhamashung jangka sa thai khui haira Masam Pangran Pingli Lupa 65.49 crore gata mi haira chidale. Maram hi Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme auditly take a queen. Beneficiaries with documentations mathata mayang Masam Pangran kala income tax kashan nau pingla sampangada hanga. Mamiran Lupa 65.49 crore Kamiji Mayo 2021 in a tangta wina. Auditly take a queer t-shirt and a pay 2019 in a maroon 2021. We are lungli darkar kasa supporting documents mazangla beneficiaries 5,92,290 we ngajali 92,924 li approve sami hawa. Approval G state nodal officer na land records bank passbook Aadhaar cards hikatha verification wuivang mazangla khamina chi. Scheme guidelines at the district tehsil maning a block level li Chan ka information pingji supervisory officials na original documents li ngahiaw laga verify sagi kachina. Supporting documents mazangla chan kasang 92,924 beneficiaries ngachayli agricultural department na mujud kakhui 709 ineligible beneficiaries sasai atumi verification mazangla approve sahawa the chiwi eina lupa 26.50 lakhs mishokachi. Documentations mathada mazangla Mingchen kasa 92,216 ineligible beneficiaries li lupa 54.38 crore mishokachi. Saikorung rumlaga supporting documents makazang beneficiaries pingli installment pangaina mikashok lupa 54.65 crore kayachi. Audit juwathi shurda beneficiaries 639 with mobile number invalid sasai beneficiaries 1,214 with mobile number mazang samana 28,785 beneficiaries really land record Malay Samana. Beneficiaries Shini with block Aming Mazang Samana. Beneficiaries 14,632 with date of birth Mazang Samana. Kala beneficiaries 6,344 with bank account Manipur Makhaning Ayarwing Sasai. Agriculture Department auditly take a kuiji acknowledge Sada approve Sakamiji scheme Haukopokli Taitang Amei Kavat Eina Kashoknaji. Ka 2023 Mayo Kajang Lila Mushung Kakui Malaymana. Audit Juwet Hishurda District Juko with beneficiaries 3,105 Masam Pangran Manada Nodal Department of Flag Saga Hainachi. Ka Jithala 2001 Mayo Kajang Ina Tangda Atumli Luba 24.68 lakh Mishok Hairachi. Masam Pangran Manada Flag Sahailala Sam Kapangji Kamjong in Ukrulwi beneficiaries La Zanga. Bishnupur, Kakching, Gangbokpi, None, Feswal, Zanapati, Topal, Hibingwi, beneficiaries La Zanga Chidale. Beneficiaries Majut Kakui District Pingwi, Deputy Commissioners Ping na Yangranada Department na Ngahan Kayachi. Kala Makamashung Mingchen Kazang Cybercrime na Pashok Kavai Sada Topal, Bishnupur in a Kakching Li Bemen Masamana da Hanga. Department of Bank Account Detail Validate Sada Allocate Sangwi Kahai Funji Recover Sakhavai Kataka Paikar Kakui Auditchina Recommend Sahira Maram hi IT Pawn Pong Kami Atishurda Kamina Manipurli Security Force na Kachikatha Group li escort Sayada Kapen Maramli Northeast Students Organization na Ningkakurik Pongshok Haira Sanabadi District Students Association zang the local organization na paramilitary force mijangazang kaphenle security force na mijangazang tharan ngai de khaleji thukmei ngasa kala kachot kachang sangmei phungwara kachi NESCO na hanghairan central force zang the stakeholder saikoru na mijang mikhai masala responsibility khikawai NESCO na kasat hairan paramilitary force we kamatayo otngro drujumnau pingli ngakmi law and order maintain kasahina Mijang Zang Laga Ninka Kurik, Henming Sak Vai Maning Manada, NESCO General Secretary, Mutsikoyo Yopuna Hanga. Security force na mijang gazang tharan thai ka khui jina chingri khawai zatta khalei yarui wi shit kasang switang sakra da NESC wana hangmatin hairan maram hi Indian sarkar na saklak aina yangmida yarui wi ka chot matai sangi ka chi political pangrak manga sang sa khawai NESC wana poya security leng sa khawai haida khalei matailak aina Assam Rifles kala Central Security Agencies kateina mijang mikhai masala ot ngarut shuk Sami khawai katamnaw long china kasathaira. Kala security force na group kachikathale escort saya da kapen chili mijang mazang la investigate Sami khawai Indian shokarli pohaira. Manipur National Highway Project ot mga khuida khalei maramli Governor Ajay Kumar Phala Nathanda high level review kazip pamhaira. Kazip chili infrastructure project katatay da kathata zadli kala ot kasa kahap kathata leima maili kachi ngasan haira. State we apam ngatatay dali semda khalei ot kasa maramli National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited we Executive Director MS Tivalna mukup makaila ka hai chan baumia kasa kahap khalei le makan khui khawai kan khana phaikar khuida highway projects adam jada kupsang khawai Governor Phalana officials pingjili chizami haira ladluida ajiwi khamdaya bauping Otpom Chipui Kasangli Reservation Rules Policy Saklakay na Shur Khawai Tribal Youth Council Manipur na Pohayra. Ukhrul District Magistrate Sagasa IAS officers during la Kengoli the Indian Express Excellence in Governance Award Mihayra. Ajiwi Bao Hiling Jang Haira, Bao Nata Clay Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi kala Kamhai Sinukshong Saserna.